Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss from chapter 16 data handling. The topic is bar graph and column graph. Last day we have discussed about pictograph, that is a picture representation of given data. Now bar graph is another type of picture representation where data or information will be represented by rectangular bar, and in column graph the data will be represented by rectangular column. So what type of figure it will be, or the data information, how can we represent? Take your book. In your book here is a figure which representing bar graph. Here first we have to draw two axes or two lines meeting at this point. Suppose this is the point O. From O, two lines which are perpendicular to each other, that is 90-degree angle. Here is the line horizontally and another line vertically we have taken. Now along the horizontal axis or horizontal line we have taken the name of the months: January, February, March, April, May. So months are represented on the horizontal line, and along the vertical line number of cars sold is represented on this vertical line or vertical axis. So along the vertical line we have taken a scale for particular distance 10, and then same distance 20, and then same distance 30, 40, 50, 60. These are marked on this axis or line. Now these are the rectangular bar for January, for February, for March, for April, and for May. Now what does it represent? What information it is giving? That in January the sales of number of cars is 20. So in January 20 cars were sold. In February 30 cars were sold. In March level goes up to 40. So in March 40 cars were sold. In April level up to 50. So in April 50 cars were sold. And in May 60 cars were sold. Okay. So this information of data we are getting from the bar graph. So this is the type of bar graph. Now the same information or same data is represented by another way, that beside picture. Here this is the column graph. What is the change from it? Here in the bar graph we have taken the months along the horizontal line and the number of cars along the vertical line. Here we have taken the number of cars along the horizontal line and the name of the months along the vertical line: January, February, March, April, May on the vertical line. And the scales we have chosen here for this same distance, there is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So these are the number of cars. Now what information it gives? In January 20 cars were sold. In February 30 cars were sold. In March 40 cars were sold. April 50 cars were sold, and in May 60 cars were sold. So the same information we get in another way. So this is a column graph. Okay. Now coming to your exercise from your book, exercise 16. This question number 3. A group of students was asked about the fruit they liked most. The given bar diagram shows the result. Here is a bar diagram, column graph. You can see that along the horizontal axis the number of students are taken, and along the vertical line name of the fruits are written. So check the graph that apple goes up to level 8. Here is 8, 12, 14, here is 16, 18. These are marked. Apple 8, that means apple liked by 8 student. 14 student like oranges. Grapes, how many students like? 16 students like grapes. Banana liked by 8 students, and mango liked by 18 students. So this information we get from the column graph. Now study the bar diagram and answer the question. Now you have to give the answers from this bar graph. A number. Which is the most popular fruit? So from the bar graph it is clear that the mango liked by highest number of students, 18. So mango is the most popular fruit, and how many students like it? 18 students. 18 students like mango. So we can write for A number answer here, which is the most popular fruit and how many students like it. We will write that mango is the most popular fruit. And how many students like it? 18 students like it. Now question number B. Which is the least popular fruit? How many students like it? From the graph again, if we check that banana and apple are the least popular fruits. 8 students of each type, banana and apple, liked by students. So apple and banana are least popular fruit, and how many students like it? 8 students. So we will write apple and banana are the least popular fruits. How many students like it? Each type? 8 students like each type. That means 8 students like banana and 8 students like apple. Question number C. How many more students like mango than grapes? We have to again go to the graph and check. Question number C. How many more students like mango than grapes? Check the graph. How many students like grapes? This is 16. And how many students like mango? 18. So 18 is more than 16. So we can find how many more students like it. 18 mango like and 16 students like grapes. So 18 minus 16 is 2. So you will write 2 more student like mango than grapes. Okay. Next, D number. How many more students like grapes than apple? Again check the bar graph. How many more students like grapes than apple? Grapes liked by 16 students and apple liked by 8 students. So how many more students like 16 minus 8? So you will write 16 minus 8, that is 8, and your answer. Therefore 8 more student like grapes than than apple. So how many more students like grapes than apple? 8 more students like grapes than apple. Next, E number. How many students were asked about their favorite fruits? So here we have to find the sum of all the numbers of students like each type of fruit. First, apple liked by 8 student, then orange 14 student, then grapes 16 student, again banana 8 student, and mango 18 student. Sum of the result. So we get here, let us find the sum. 8 plus 8 16 plus 6 22 plus 4 26 plus 8 34. 3 carry, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, 64. So 64 students were asked about their favorite fruit. So 64 students were asked about their favorite fruits. So this complete. Now coming to problem number 4. Here is the question 4. Look at the graph for the amount of rainfall in different cities. Here is the bar graph. This is the bar graph. Name of the cities are written on the horizontal line and their percentage of rainfall is taken on the vertical line. From the graph it is clear that Mumbai has a rainfall of 35%, Delhi has 20%, Kolkata has 50%, Goa 15%, Chandigarh 10%. So this information we get. Now here is the questions. Number A, what is percentage of rainfall in Delhi? So what is the percentage of rainfall in Delhi? From the graph it is clear that in Delhi 20% rainfall occur. So we will write our answer. What is the percentage of rainfall in Delhi? 20% rainfall occur in Delhi. Number 2, B number. How much more rainfall was in Mumbai than Goa? So first we have to find how much rainfall in Mumbai and how much rainfall in Goa. Check the graph again. In Mumbai the rainfall percentage is 35%. Mumbai 35% rainfall, and in Goa 15% rainfall. So how much more it is? That is 35% minus 15%, that is 20%. 20%. So therefore we will write our answer. How much more rainfall was in Mumbai than Goa? The 20% more rainfall was in Mumbai than Goa. Okay. Occur means happen. Okay. How much rainfall occur means how much rainfall happen. Number C. In which cities maximum and minimum rainfall occur? Which cities have maximum and minimum rainfall occur? So from the graph you can easily check that Kolkata occurs maximum rainfall and minimum rainfall in Chandigarh occurs minimum rainfall. Next question, D number. How much less rainfall occur in Chandigarh than Mumbai? Mumbai has occurred 35% rainfall and Chandigarh has occurred 10% rainfall. So how much less is it? Is 35 minus 10, that is 25%. So therefore 25% less rainfall occur in Chandigarh than Mumbai. Okay, so this completes this problem 4 number. So in this way we can extract the information from the given bar graph or column graph. Let us come to another problem. Another type of bar graph. Check this one is the bar graph. This is the bar graph. This bar graph representing different color pencil used by 80 students. This problem I have taken from your worksheet book, worksheet 4. The following bar chart represent the number of different color pencils used by 80 students. And in this bar graph, color pencils color are represented on the horizontal axis, horizontal line, and along the vertical line the number of students is taken. This is 5, again same distance 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. These are marked. Now what shows the bar graph? That red color pencil is used by 5 students. Blue color pencil is used by 15 students, that level goes up to 15. Green color pencil is used by 40 students. And violet color pencil is used by 20 students. Okay, now you have to give the following answers. Which color pencil is used most? From the bar graph it is clear that green color is maximum height. So green color pencil is used most, so you will write our answer. Green colored pencil is used most. Next, how many students use the red color pencil? Red color pencil, how many students use? 5 students. So you will write 5 students use the red color pencil. Which color pencil is used least? Means minimum number of students use this pencil. Red color. Again check the graph, which has the least, which is the smallest rectangle here. Red, for red. So red color pencil is used least. Red color pencil is used least. Four number. How many students use the orange color pencil? Is there any orange color pencil about the information? Has there any information about orange color pencil? Here is red, blue, green, violet. No information about orange color pencil. So how many students use the orange color pencil? No student. No student use the orange color pencil. So this completes the worksheet. So in this way, any bar graph is given, you can extract the answers of some questions related to the bar graph. Okay. So this was the total topic for today, bar graph and column graph. Hope you have understood and you can solve many different types of problem on bar graph and column graph. Okay everyone, so this completes today's class. Thank you and goodbye.